Well, we're in for a little bit of a treat today. No forklifts, no tractors, something new. A mulcher. And no, not one that just goes on the back of a tractor. This big girl over here. Ooh, have a look at that. So, to finish off the week, we're going to be a little bit oversized. Lucky I'm loading this nice and early. And I'll be able to use daylight hours to get over the New South Wales-Victoria border tonight and sneak the rest way into Melbourne legally under the cover of darkness. Should be interesting. I haven't carted one of these before. It actually runs off a hand remote type thing, so we don't actually have to climb up and do it that way. We can stand to the side and safely get her on without too much of an issue at all. There we go. There's a little taste of what happens here. But anyway, enough chit chat. Let's get the thing on, eh? That wasn't that hard, was it? So she's on there without too much of a hitch at all. I'm pretty happy with that, but last thing is, because it's quite heavy, I've got to make sure that all my weights are right. So I've just started up the truck. I'm building up all the air through the truck and trailer, and then I'll start checking my gauges. I think I'm a little bit heavy on the drive, and I've still got to fill up with fuel yet. So I've got to take that into account, that it's going to be about an extra tonne. It's going to be up the front, so I dare say I'll have to roll it back probably another foot or two to get it perfect. But that's pretty well it. If you see me out on the highway with this big girl on with the oversized signs and flashy lights and flags, give us a toot and say g'day. Woo! Well, that's just about all she wrote. After a whole heap of dog and chains, we're on our way. So we're off to one last stop in Uncle Leo's to whack some juice in right here, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and share. I mean, you don't have to, it's totally up to you, no one's forcing you. Also, if you need equipment finance, basically everything that was in that video, hit up Brady Talbot, becomes highly recommended by myself and MK Trucking.